The next is preventing breeding of mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so we should not allow water to stagnate in our neighborhood in pots, tires, vessels, ditches, drainages, etc. So these are the points that we are seeing how to prevent communicable diseases, that is clean water and food, good hygiene. And next, talking about the prevention of breeding of mosquitoes and flies. So talking about prevention of breeding of mosquitoes and flies, we all know that mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, and for that we need to avoid water getting stagnated in our houses or in our neighborhood, in tires, pots, vessels, drainages, ditches, etc. So we need to put, what are we going to do for this? We need to put a few drops of kerosene in still water to prevent mosquitoes from laying eggs. So if there is water being stagnated and there is no way we can remove it, in that case we can add a few drops of kerosene in that water to prevent the mosquitoes from laying eggs in it. Flies need dirt and garbage to breed upon. So mosquitoes need stagnant water. When we talk about flies, the flies need dirt and garbage to breed upon. Do not litter, that is, do not throw waste in every place possible. We should help in keeping our neighborhood and surroundings clean. What happens when we have a vacant place? We tend to take all the dust that accumulates in our houses and dump it in that vacant place. And what happens over a period of time, you will find the dust getting accumulated, and at the end of the day it results in spread of diseases, because flies prefer dirt or garbage to breed upon. So it is because of our carelessness that diseases starts spreading. So in order to avoid this, we need to keep our surroundings and neighborhood clean. So flies, we see, need dirt and garbage to breed upon. So it is our duty not to litter the place. We should help in keeping our neighborhood and surroundings clean. So how are we going to prevent breeding of mosquitoes and flies? The first is, we know that mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. So to avoid this, we need to keep our surroundings clean, our neighborhood clean, because by not allowing water to stagnate in pots, vessels, ditches, drainages, tires, etc. For this purpose, we are going to add a few drops of kerosene in still water so that the mosquitoes do not lay their eggs in the water. Talking about flies, we see that flies breed in dirt and garbage, and for this purpose we should not litter the place. We should help in keeping our neighborhood and surroundings clean.